Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is very simple and easy one. It's hummus with tahini. We will need 1 can of hummus, drained hummus, or 1.5 cup of hummus that we boiled already. The juice of 1 lemon, fresh lemon, 2-3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, a 1/4 cup of tahini. Tahini is this, the sesame paste. And for the seasoning is only salt to taste and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. We will need cumin. And for decoration in the end, we will need some paprika or SUMAC. Okay, let's start now. We take the food processor and we add first the tahini or sesame paste and the fresh squeezed lemon juice. We mix them together until they become light. Please follow this step in the beginning and you will have a very nice, smooth and creamy hummus in the end. You see how the color becomes so light? That's how we want it to be. Now we can add the rest of the ingredients. The drained chickpeas. You can use the one from the can, or you can boil your 1.5 cups of chickpeas in salted water, then drain it after. I add the garlic paste right there, the olive oil, water, and don't forget the seasoning, the salt and cumin. Salt to taste, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Some people like a kick of spice. If you like it, you can add a little bit of cayenne pepper or chili powder. Then you mix everything together until it becomes really smooth and creamy in texture. Now our hummus is ready. Look at the texture, it's very nice. Taste it, tastes really good. It's better than the store-bought one. Healthy, homemade, gluten-free, vegan, all kind of health benefits on this hummus. You can eat it like a snack. You snack on it at night or like a lunch, or spread it over your bread or sandwiches. It's very tasty, and if you try this recipe, you will make it over and over. And now this is how I serve my hummus. I put it in a small plate and I will garnish this with some olive oil and paprika, or in Middle East they add the seasoning called SUMAC. You can add some feta cheese on top if you like it. The garnish, that's up to you and whatever you like to put on top. That was the homemade hummus recipe. Let me know how do you like it. See you next time in new recipes and enjoy.